Today's video regarding HP Deskjet 2622 printer. So this is an all-in-one printer. I'm going to show you how to do a quick unboxing and setup. Now first is to carefully remove the printer from the box and then take out of the packing, remove all the stickers, and once it is ready, then we'll start the setup process. Now place the power supply at this side. Now press the power button and switch on the printer. Wait for the printer display panel to show up the readings, and so when it's going to start for first time, it takes some time. So you can see the light starts to blink like the ink light, and there is a light for the page, and there is a light for the Wi-Fi network of this printer, and these are for copy button. Installation of ink. So this is the starter ink, and it's number 65, both color and black. So number 65 black. Now we need to open the front door to install the ink cartridges. So as you can see, you can remove it. So once you move it, you will see the ink cartridge chamber will come into the front, and now we can install the cartridges here. So install it one by one. Place the color cartridge here and push it forwards. Place the black cartridge, then push it forwards. So both will lock, and then we can close the door. Also lock this outside door as well. Now I'm going to show you how to load the paper tray. So paper tray is at the rear, so you just have to slide it out, place it backwards, and place the pages there. And this is the paper output tray, so you can take it out. Now so once we install the cartridge, you can see here there is a reading, it says 0. You will see the Wi-Fi signal as well, and both the ink cartridge will show up here. If there is any error, you will see these lights will start to blink, and then you need to reinstall the cartridge again. And this page is for the light of the printer, and when you insert the pages, this will go off. This is for the Wi-Fi. When you use it and when you do the Wi-Fi setup, then you can use for wireless printing. And this is the information button. This is for copy. You can do the color copy or you can do the black copy. Now open this lid and place the page here facing downwards, and now close it. We can do both color and black and white, so I'm going to do the black and white. So press this button, press it once, and you will see the marking on the screen, it says 1. So now to do a two-sided copy, what we can do, we can open this lid and place and turn the page facing downwards again, and now we insert the page for printing again, because we need two-sided printing, and we have to put it reverse side facing downwards. And now we press the copy button. So you can see we have printed on the both sides. So this way we can do two-sided printing, and this is a quick setup. So you can see we can easily set up this printer within few minutes. So this printer has 3 options like print, scan and copy. So I have show you how to do the copy. If you want to know how to do the print and scan using wireless method and with the wire as well, then you can watch my other videos. And if you need any more help, you can see there is a booklet along with this printer. It tells everything about this printer. Thanks for watching.